So we have Mr. Akash Agarwal. Akash, my question to you is, my question to you is, what makes a great leader? What do you think? I mean, I see great leadership in you. What makes it?
What makes a great leader is someone who leads by example. It's easy to say that do this, do that, but when you're leading from the front, when you're leading by example, people see that conviction in you. People see that enthusiasm in you. People are pulled by your enthusiasm and they follow you. Not to follow you, but to follow your idea, your ideal, your message.
So you become an inspirational factor for them.
Inspiration for people.
Okay.
So that is what is leadership, leading by example.
And where did you learn it from? Book or some person?
I don't know, I didn't learn from him. I saw a movie recently and I recommend you watch it. It's called Invictus.
Invictus. I-N-V-I?
I-N-V-I-C-T-U-S.
T-U-S?
Yeah, T-U-S I think, yeah. Invictus. It's about the same thing. It's about leadership, leading by example, and in which the hero, Matt Damon, he actually says this at one point, that leadership, he's asked by Morgan Freeman, who plays the role of Nelson Mandela in the movie, and he is a South African football team coach. So he calls him to his office and asks him, what is it that you feel, what does leadership mean to you? And he says, leadership is leading by example. I think I already knew it.
But now it hit you.
When he said it, it really hit me, that yes, that's what it is. So I knew it, but I couldn't put the line to it. And when the line came, I said, yeah, that's what it is. So leadership is leading by example, by transferring your emotion of feeling towards your ideal or towards your goal to the people and making them follow it for the common good. That's what leadership is.
Excellent. Thank you, man. Thank you. Where can people connect with you? On Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook, and I don't have LinkedIn properly organized yet, but Facebook.
So Facebook, what's the name? Just tell us the spelling so people can find you.
My name is Akash Agarwal. It's Akash Agarwal. You can find me with the name.
Excellent. And they can connect with you, right?
They can.
Excellent. Thanks.